and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a pair of piped pillowcases. I'm starting out with 2 pieces of fabric measuring 46 inches wide by 36 inches long. That's for a queen-sized pillowcase, and I'm using a piece of floral. I already cut this in 1-inch strips, which I'm going to fold in half to be used after I turn over the edge of the case. Now, after turning over the 1/4 inch, I would go and turn over 2 inches. Actually, now, because this is plain, I am working on the right side, so I am going to turn over a 1/4 inch, and then I turn over 1 3/4, and my piping will take up the additional 1/4 inch, which will take me to 2 inches. So I'm just going to place that under there, and then I am going to measure, and the whole thing should give me 2 inches. All right, there I have it. So 1 3/4 for the plain, and the 1/4 inch for the floral to give me 2 inches. I pin that in place, and I'm going to continue measuring, pinning under, so that the total gives me 2 inches all the way across until I am done. All right, there I have both pieces with the piping pinned in place. I am going to now stitch along the line, and I am advising, if you are not able to just pin and stitch, then do go ahead and baste. There you have it, both pieces stitched with the piping in place. I am now going to fold this in half, but I'm now folding the right sides in because I am going to use another method of completing the case. So I'm going to fold and pin this together with the right sides in and the wrong sides facing out like we would normally do. All right, here you have it, regular stitch, and I have used a zigzag stitch to finish the edge. Okay, and there they are, all done. Please share your views in the comment section below, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be informed of other videos. Thank you.